Hello friends, this is day 3 of making the Iron Man mask. Today we are not doing any big crafting steps. I just wanted to show you the progress I have made so far. I have made the face piece movable using cardboard and chopsticks, and after a lot of trial and error, it finally works. I did not record every step because I was experimenting a lot, but I am really happy with how it's turning out. This is my first attempt at building a functional Iron Man mask, so I am still learning as I go. That's why your support, suggestions, and feedback mean a lot to me on this journey. Before we go, I want to show you how it looks on my face. I am honestly so excited to see what it will look like once it's fully completed. If you are excited too, then stay tuned, stay connected, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Craftswala. Thank you so much.